What's up guys, Phil here today with another video, and today I'll just be talking about general stuff or items that to me are very useful and have really helped me a lot over the past few years or even recent months. These are not all necessarily tech items, but they do really help me a lot. So as you can see, I've got a few of them here, and we're gonna start off with this one. This is an HDMI switch, and boy was this thing really helpful. So as you can see, this is my second monitor. It's actually a TV. I like referring to it as a monitor. So it only has a VGA port and an HDMI port, a single HDMI port. So as you guys know, actually you guys probably don't know, I used to hook up everything to this little TV. I used to have my PS4, my Xbox One, and my laptop all hooked up to it. So I really got tired, or the act of disconnecting an HDMI cable and reconnecting it each time that I wanted to use a device was getting very tedious and annoying. So I picked this up. So basically how it works is that you plug in an HDMI cable, the one from the TV, you plug it in here, and then the HDMI devices, you connect them here. So it has three, so it was enough for my PlayStation, my Xbox, and my laptop, and you could switch through all three of them with this button, which was really nice. So no more having to disconnect, reconnect. It was really nice with a push of a button, just switching between devices, which for me really made it a lot easier. So yeah, that is item number one. Item number two, which is this little item here, which basically gives you two extra audio jacks. I usually connect this to my laptop where I would have my speakers and probably some headphones plugged in together at the same time. But the main area where this little device shines is when I have my friends over here for recording music. So when we used to record music, since I didn't have this, or and I also don't have an audio interface or a mixer, when we record, the guy would obviously come here, rap, but we could not really hear anything until he was done. So with this device, I can have my speakers connected, I can have my headphones connected, and obviously the mic is a USB mic. So then whoever is rapping obviously can listen to the music, the beat, while they are busy recording, you know, rapping, singing. I don't really know, I don't pay attention sometimes. Sorry, Nigel. While me, the person here at the laptop, can also get a pair of earphones out or a pair of headphones and also listen in to what is going on there, so they can have a second opinion. So I can tell them, bro, we're not making it out of the hood. Stop rapping. Go get a degree or something. I'll never say that. So that is why this device is really cool and important. Actually, it works hand in hand with my speakers over here, which I will talk about in a separate video along with these headphones as well. But yeah, it does work hand in hand, so this is why this little device is very important to me and it's really cool. Actually, I did not buy it myself. One of my other producer friends, Mella, gave it to me. So yeah, I'll leave a link in the description to his channel down below. He makes really good music. You guys should go check him out. I'll also leave a link to my other friend's SoundCloud in the description down below. The next item here is a little tripod. Now this, we all know tripods. It's one of these ones that you can put in any orientation, but I mainly use this as a handheld because I do go out and I do record other people, so I use it as a handheld, slightly steadier than my hands. So yeah, and also I don't have to hold the camera like this the whole time. I just hold this, zoom in and out, which is very helpful. And then I also got the tripod that is recording me right now. Yeah, there it is. It's a National Geographic tripod. I doubt that means anything, but it has really helped me a lot, because I remember when I first started YouTube, I would stack books and then I would also stack something underneath the lens to keep it steady. So this actually really helped a lot. The next item that has really helped me a lot, so it's very important to me, and also in terms like production of my videos. It was an HDMI to HDMI mini cable. My camera, my Canon camera, it has an HDMI mini port, so I decided to buy this cable so I can connect my camera to my TV, so when I start recording I can see myself, such as now. So yeah, I'm just gonna use my phone for this. So as you can see, that cable busy hanging off the camera, that's the HDMI mini, then it connects to the TV via HDMI, and when I record I can see myself. So sometimes when I'm recording and you see me looking to the left or to the right, it's just to see myself and to see if the camera is still recording. Pretty neat. Now the next very helpful thing to me, if you guys regularly watch the channel, which I hope you guys do, I have opened up quite a few things. I've opened up my PlayStation 4, I've opened up my Xbox One S, and I've also opened up my laptop before. One of the things that I firmly believe in is if I cannot open it, I cannot fix it, henceforth it's gonna break. So right here is a screwdriver set. So this screwdriver set has got basically all the screwdrivers you're gonna need. Okay, for the regular person, it's got more screwdrivers than they're ever gonna need and use, because I mainly bought this because I needed Torx screws and it had them. So if a regular person were to buy this, some of these screws they will never use. Basically this whole bottom row they will never use. Yeah, most of these they'll never use, but it's very helpful because I open a lot of stuff. And another item, this is not a tech item, this is a clutch pencil or a mechanical pencil, however you refer to it. It's a 0.3mm clutch pencil. I love this thing. I mainly use it to draw. What else am I forgetting to mention? Here we go. Hard drives. You can never have too many hard drives in my opinion. Yeah, it's just nice to have huge banks of storage, and also it helps when you back up your stuff. And also another thing that is really helpful to me is over here. If you can see it properly, this is a USB hub, which basically just gives you more USB ports because I have a lot of USB peripherals. Yeah, so that is about it. That is just in general items that I have around that I use that have really helped me a lot, and in some cases items that I would not be able to, I would not say live without, but without them would have made life a bit more difficult per se. So yes, that is it for the video. Thank you all for watching. Thank you for sticking on to the end. I hope you guys all enjoyed this video, and peace.